Chapter 11 is Observing Children with Their Families. So let's talk about family characteristics. The first sense of belonging and identity comes from our family, and family is the most ongoing relationship we have. Families have different viewpoints influenced by their culture, economics, generation, life experiences, personal preferences, language, and family structure. And generally there are two types of cultures. And as we talk about cultures, keep in mind that these are just ways of talking about culture, and your family might fit to some extent in one of these cultures, but we know there are characteristics of these cultures that maybe have positive effects and some have negative effects, but both cultures have the goal of raising productive citizens. They both have families that are very effective in their parenting roles, some that are very dysfunctional, and most people are somewhere in the middle, so keep that in mind. So types of culture: there's the independent or individualistic culture that focuses on the success of the individual for their own self-esteem and quality of life. Desired characteristics are independence, affluence, and competition is encouraged. In child rearing, children are taught to eat independently as soon as possible and potty train when they can do it themselves. And by the way, this is mainstream American culture's point of view, but it's also education and early childhood's point of view. Dependent types of culture, and sometimes these are called interdependent or collectivism, the focus is on the success of the individual for the benefit of the group. There's a thoughtful use of resources. Respect is very valued. Honor, cooperation, and traditions are emphasized. Children tend to be fitted in with the adult environment and are encouraged to form close ties with others in their group. And adults are direct partners in sleeping, eating, and elimination, growth, and development. And so, for example, with potty training or toilet learning, there are two stages. The first stage is when the adult develops or learns the pattern of the individual child and then holds them over the toilet to save resources of diapers. And so sometimes that can cause conflict with early childhood programs that have a more independent cultural focus, where potty training happens when the child can do it themselves. So daily family routines and rituals create memories and family bonds. And so those are rituals that happen in the morning, during meals, at bath time, at bedtime, during special holidays or celebrations, and when families have to say goodbye to each other. ECE professionals have to understand and collaborate with families to promote continuity. So approach families with curiosity, acceptance, and eagerness to learn, and have this focus of being partners with families. Utilize the perspective that we all share responsibility for the child's well-being. Be alert to the child's feelings regarding their family. Observe the child's play themes. And during goodbyes, focus on how we can stay connected.